like that, Cheryl. You nice with him. This kind of a new video-ish kind of. And this one, we're going to be trying to replace our O2 sensor because when you crank the car up, is giving me, I'm going to post a picture. I'm not going to crank it up because I'm trying to keep the car as like cold as possible right now because when you crank this car up, boy, it heats up fast as I don't know what. But anyway, I'm going to post a picture like right here. Like my AFR was reading like 35 and it was in the red. So only thing that I'm guessing is that it got to be the freaking O2 sensor, bro, because everybody in the forum page said it was an O2 sensor. Some guy said check the connection on the back of the computer. I checked the connection on the back of the computer. That's why she's hanging out now. Those is all good, seated properly. So we're going to pull this O2 sensor out, take a look at it, and we're going to bring y'all along with us. So stay tuned. Drop a like. Y'all know what it is. Come my boy Trey Dean is. Come on. Y'all see it. Y'all see that shirt there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Got that socket over there. Use some zip ties.
Yep. I got it.
Alright, so while he tightened up that, when I first seen that little message on the screen, or the little AFR going to 35, I low-key thought that it was something wrong with this little temperature sensor that was stuck inside the elbow. So hopefully it's not this. So next little clip, we gonna crank it up, see if we got a better little read on our handheld. Stay tuned. Man, y'all gotta excuse me. Y'all might hear a couple little burps. Cause I just ate, drunk some Gatorade. I'm feeling good over here right now. So anyways, we back on the O2 sensor. This is our old O2 sensor right here. Put that bad boy on. I need to get up. Try to see this in the sunlight. I get a good look at this bad boy. Y'all let me know down below if that O2 sensor bad. I think it's alright, but this is the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the new O2 sensor in there.
The most O2 sensors I ever seen, they all took out. They all look like that.
Yeah, look a little. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're gonna pop this in. Hopefully we can fix our air-fill ratio. If that do, we're gonna hopefully spin around the block a couple times, see what you do. Set this one right there over there. I'm trying to get that one for y'all. Looking right here, trying to see from the top. Any hole? Yeah. Don't tell me she don't fit.
Nah, it's the wires.
All right, y'all. So she do to do. Because the stuff in the back not really tied down like it's supposed to be, so we doing a little chill, little pass. And also, I think something wrong with my throttle cable. So like, I feel like if I'm hitting from here, I'm getting like 75-ish% throttle. Yeah. But if I like turn it up from the outside, like right from the outside, it feels like way better. RPMs. But you hear me? I'm still. It's gonna eat now for sure.
Yeah. It did feel a little funny. I see what you're saying
You feel
now.
weird, bro,
Yeah.
and then you feel it go back down.
Right. Yeah,
so it's not really popping in between overdrive.
It's holding, but it just feel like it. I don't
My
know.
RPM's just high, bro. It might just be like what bro said, that the diameter in the computer just might be a little different.
Yeah.
Like I gotta readjust the damn tires or some shit. I don't know who the hell that was. Oh my ass.
I swear to God, it can't even draw.
We need to change that tensioner. The tensioner messed
Oh
up,
yeah.
I forgot to even see it.
Hey, when you do it, just circle around and come back and get me through the neighborhood.
So what? You will burn out and come back to the neighborhood?
Yeah, when you keep going, circle around. Alright, see what she do, y'all. She running good, y'all. It is quiet though, but it kind of sounds good. See what she do, y'all. You be shifting mad early. That was in one?
I wasn't fucking with that one. I don't know.
Yeah.
It felt like, I don't know. Yeah, that shit like, I mean, that, it just don't like. And that was in one. I feel like the RPMs, when it get too high, it just shit.
Alright, see now, alright, build it up pressure. Hold it, stop there, stop all the way. Build it up, build it up, build it up. Now just floor it. Let off the brakes and floor it. See, it's the brakes.
It's the brakes.
It's the back brakes grabbing. Yeah, it's grabbing the brakes. Yeah.
That was probably better than the first two we just did.
Yeah, it's grabbing the brakes. That radiator hose gotta be. Fan still off, so it ain't hot.
Something leaking. I feel like it only be doing that if I like be stumping it.
Yeah. She riding, y'all, grabbing all the gears, overdrive. Just like any swap, gotta work out all the kinks.
Hopefully the other swap that we're not gonna talk about.
Yeah.
Ain't no fucking kinks in that bitch.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Y'all let me know, is there really a difference between the Holley sensor and the Bosch sensor? Y'all think they all the same? Cause we got this sensor for little to nothing. It's like it's doing what we needed to do. Everybody talk Holley. I'm not knocking the Holley, but I don't know. I'm starting to think Holley low key a piece of dog college, you know what, but whatever.
Paying for the name, man.
You paying for the name. Y'all let me know down below what harnesses or what companies y'all like using for these swaps. Cause I know it's like a lot of different other ones. That's a nice little board,
Go ahead, bro.
They was coming in kind of hot.
though. I ain't gonna lie. It's just not as loud like you say.